So, I am going to be getting my ears today, and I am super excited about it. Like, I don't know if it will hurt or if I'm not going to feel anything. I also read up on the internet. I saw that sometimes people faint when they're getting their ears pierced. So, I don't know what's going to happen to me. So, let's see. Let's go. I do not do ear piercings anywhere near my house in any parlor, so plan failure. So I'm going to go to the ENT and then I'm going to see if they do it there. So bye. So what happened is I went to two different salons and they said that they do not do ear piercings there. So it was kind of a failure, and I just came back and I might go to the ENT this evening and see if they do ear piercings there. So let's hope for the best, shall we? Hello everyone. So today I am going to be making crispy corn. So let's see how it goes. So this is done. This is just a mixture of corn and corn flour. Done frying this much of the corn, and that is my last batch over there. Eating. You're not gonna die. How is it?
So, you know, when you're the younger sister, no matter how terrible it is, you have to kind of like just say it's amazing. So, but it's not really that bad. It's okay. It's like, but something went terribly wrong in it, and I can't put my finger on what it is. It was a good try. I don't know what I ate.
So something went wrong terribly, and I really don't know what it is. Like, I don't know what I did. It just tastes weird.
But it's okay, edible. I won't know until later, right?
Bye. Okay guys, so today was a complete disaster. So first off, I wanted to get a ear piercing, and then I went in the morning and none of the parlors around my house did ear piercings. Fine, that's all right. And then I decided to go to an ENT in the evening, and then what happened was turns out no ENT near my house does ear piercings again. And I tried to make a corn dish for my family, and that was also a complete disaster. So today was a completely disastrous day. So I hope tomorrow is not this way. So yeah. And also, if you guys enjoyed watching this vlog, then do let me know in the comment section below. And I need to thank you people for the amazing response that I've been getting over the past few days. And thank you so much for everything. Bye.